Good afternoon from Houston. Good morning wherever you are. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here again virtually. Oh, thank you. I was going to say, because when it came up earlier, I was, yes, because I do. I love getting on the leadership versus management high horse. I see some positive change, more awareness for sure. Moving on up. Think about a team when everybody shows up as their best self. Magic happens. As we get into this, I want to stop by asking, what do you think? And I want you to put some responses in the chat. I want you to tell me what you think diversity means to you. The reality is, and you've heard me say it time and time again, so many times, I put it in a book, right? Change needs a catalyst. And so it was about finding your catalyst, finding out what sparks your desire to be part of this particular movement, or even just in your own life, right? People deliver projects, and leadership is about bringing out the best in people, about bringing out the best in everyone around you so that they can contribute, so that you have this collective energy that brings about great results that are better than the results that you would have on your own. I want you to see this, and I want everybody to do this. Everybody do this with me. This is intersectionality, and I want you guys to remember how different identities intersect and how your advocacy intersects, because you can't call yourself an inclusive champion for anti-discrimination if you only choose to do that for one area, or for one, what we call identity. As I mentioned earlier, top talent. And you want top talent, right? You want highly qualified, highly motivated, highly engaged individuals to join your team. Well, they'll come running to you when they realize that your organization fosters a sense of belonging for all people.